Hey guys, this is Farhan and welcome to my new video. In this video, we will discuss about the very powerful indicator. This indicator is very good, and I completely trust on this because I've been working on it, and I also have profit from this because the accuracy rate of the indicator is very high. Now, moving ahead without wasting of time, let's start it. Now, what will you do? You will move to the insert and have indicator, right? This one, moving average. Okay. First, moving average. The period will be 3, right? Exponential, right? And close. Okay. When you click on that, this is the first indicator. Now we come to the second indicator. Okay. Sorry, indicator. Uh, moving and Bollinger Band. Okay, after a Bollinger Band, period 20, deviation 3, and apply close. Right? Just click on that. Have you noticed all the figures carefully? Yes, it should be. Okay, third one is MACD. That is 12.26.9. 12.26.9. Okay, have you tried that? 12.26.9. Now apply on that. Okay, now three indicator will be used on on this strategy, right? All the indicators have not I have not purchased any indicator from somewhere else. Okay, these all indicator already built in MT4, so you don't need to go anywhere. First and second one, this is a defaulting indicator, so it's mean that there is no chance of repaint, right? This is complete trusted and indicator and a very trusted strategy moving ahead. Okay, this indicator will be used on 3 time frame as you know that my all indicator has a small time frame that can be used on M1, M5 and M15, right? Okay, moving ahead, how can we use that whenever the market this I should check this whenever the market or whenever the moving average cross the middle line of Bollinger Band. I'm talking about this, right? Whenever the market or whenever the moving average cross the middle line of Bollinger Band, so you take entry. Whenever the market cross middle line from down to upward like this, so what will you do? You will have a entry of buy. Okay, right, this one, this area. First indication and now second indication. The market should be cross from 0 to upward. These two indicators, these two point these two indication must be keeping in your mind when you're going to have buy entry. Okay, this one. Okay, this one point whenever the market crosses the middle line and move upward, and second one whenever the MACD histogram you start moving upward on upward of point 0, right? I'm working on this. Okay, this is the basically buy buy area. Okay, buy entry. Now move ahead. Okay, now if talk about this. Now, Bollinger Band. Now the moving average cross the Bollinger Band like this. Okay, but the histogram it is not moving, is not creating below the 0 line. Okay, so it's not a sale. It's not a sale. Okay, I will give you I will give you the good example of sale. Okay, before going sale example, I would like to give you a buy example because I just check this right now. Okay, this one you can check that market or moving average cross the middle line over here. Okay, at the same time MACD start moving above point 0. Okay, this is very good entry of buy. This is very good entry of buy. Okay, this one, right? Okay, now I'm giving you some example of sale, because when I give you example of sale, so that will be a complete strategy, that will be a complete indicator. Yes, I have got the point. Yeah, this one. Look here. uh, whenever the market, this is whenever the market cross the middle line over here, when the market cross the middle line over here, okay, and it is not here, but histogram is not working. Its histogram is not creating below point zero 0.01. Okay, so you will not take sell entry, you will not take sell entry, you have to wait. Okay, this is the perfect example. This is a perfect example when both your conditions are fulfilling, right? What are conditions? Moving average or market cross the middle line at the same time. uh, MACD creating MACD creating below the point zero 0.01, like this. Okay, so it's mean that completely, so it's mean that it's both your point and both your conditions are fulfilling, right? This is the point. This is the point where your condition are fulfilling. Both conditions should be fulfilled before going here. Now sell entry or buy entry. This one. Now if we talk about this one, so this one, moving market is cross the middle line over here, market cross the middle line over here, but the MACD is not working. MACD is created only 1 or 2 histogram, so this is not an indication to have buy entry. So you have buy entry, and you can see that the market move ahead and come back, retrace. Okay, and now you can see over here that whenever the market cross the middle line, okay, at the same time histogram is creating above point zero 0.01, so it's a good chance of it's a very good chance of buy, like this, right? So keep in mind this in this indicator that both conditions should be fulfilled. If you are if you are seeing, if you are watching that only one condition is fulfilling and second one is not, so this is not time, this is not time to take entry, right? First, and second thing, whenever the news is coming, so try not to apply any indicator. I'm not talking about particular this indicator. Whatever the indicator I have given you, or whatever indicator you already have, you should not apply these all indicator at least before the news of, before the 2 hours of news, of possible news, right? And second is whenever the market is consolidation situation, indicator should not be used, especially this in this indicator should not be used, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. And I always say to you that all the indicators are very good, but try to apply on a demo account. Okay, your demo account is your practice account, and you can easily play on that. If you will able to apply these indicator on real account, so apply on real account after uh, complete practice on demo account. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Wait guys, kindly subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon, because some very outstanding, very outstanding indicators are in the way, and I'm just going to share with you this all. Thank you so much.